Right, we have this HP. Client wants this fixed. Press the power button and nothing. We got a charging light. Disconnected battery, reconnected battery, same thing. They marked it as power failure. Okay, let's see what's going on. We gotta do what the customer wants done. Some time ago, looks like this guy had some liquid. One. This hard drive is held together by some carton. Probably because they're missing the bracket. 500 gig Seagate. Now we've isolated pretty much a lot. Including optical drive, battery, RAM. Let's see the reaction of the power button. We still have a white light. Power button. Dead. No go. No go, amigo. Okay. Excuse me, sir, why don't you want to turn on? Your power button is here. Power. Power. Now let's see how the power is really reacting. Does the system have power? to the before the resistors there is power. Okay, now the power button will be somewhere here. $3.29, $3.29, $3.28, $3.3. Okay, so let's short nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, let's try another ground. Nope, nope, no reaction. So power button is fine. Okay, so a couple of more screws. Technically, this motherboard should come out and play. Pretty well looked after, considering its age. There has to be a clue somewhere. Okay. Diode mode. CMOS battery. Okay. Continue our quest. Our cable resistance is to earth to ground is 34. This is not that short. No, there's no short. Nope, those two are fine. That's also fine. kind of unusual. Can't make a judgment yet. Our next culprit could be around here. Okay, I found it. Spot on. South Bridge. No, this is not a fix, unfortunately. It's a major shit. It's a major component, and damn, missing one of the rubbers around the microscope. Okay. I can't really see Jack. Okay. Alright, here we go. So, to ground, it is reading 31, and I randomly did somewhere around here. Same. So we got a dead PCH. So that's dead. That's dead. Yeah, okay. Yeah, unfortunately, this guy is not worth... Oh, it's AMD GPU. Wow. Can you believe it? AMD GPU has died. Okay. Alright. Oh, they had a fan replaced too recently. That was, I don't know, a few years ago. Shame. Anyway, we'll give them a quote accordingly, see what they want to do. But that's the end of this repair. We'll reassemble the unit. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.